How to edit the game Who Knows the Farm SOPs. Add question to templates. Add answers in the correct position. Go to the next slide and do the same. I'll fast forward adding a couple more. Now let's test it. Start slideshow from the beginning and click Start Game. To make answers appear, press the spacebar to reveal each answer. You can click on the music note to play music while the player is thinking about the answer. Click the answer the player has chosen. If the answer is final, click Yes. A correct answer will turn green, and you can proceed to the next question. Let's test the 50-50. This will take 2 wrong answers off the board. If the wrong answer is chosen, it will turn red. Click Show Results, then click End Game to reset. Looks good! Have fun playing the game and practicing your SOPs.